So when you're working with someone who has hypertension or heart problems, have them move in all directions, even if this is all they can do. Imagine the help that's giving to the heart just by doing this, right? Especially the legs. We sit all day, we don't move. That blood's just sitting there. The heart has to do all the work. Also to that effect is, as we sit all day and we get tighter and tighter and tighter, now not only do we have the stress squeezing the blood vessels, we have tight muscles squeezing the blood vessels. So if you look at that hand picture again, imagine those blood vessels are all the way through your body. Imagine tight chest muscles, right? Tight belly muscles, tight hips, tight legs. You know, people who get up and they're like, oh. If I didn't do yoga, that would be me. Oh. The blood vessels underneath all that are going, oh. And how hard the heart has to pump to get the blood through all that tightness. So stretch the places that are tight. Someone who has hypertension, where are you tight? Let's stretch that out. And usually, because people sit all day, where is it? It's here, it's here, it's here. And there's a lot of big blood vessels here and here. So we want to give them a little break with that. And we want to reduce pressure to the heart by doing gentle inversions. And not full shoulder stand, not full head stand, that's too much pressure on the system. But a gentle shoulder stand is one of the most prescribed thing for heart disease, and that's lying with a bolster under your hips and your legs up the wall, and I think you have a picture of that. And that also helps take pressure off the heart by taking the lymph that gets stuck in the ankles. So a lot of people who have heart problems, you'll see they have swollen ankles. The lymph system, the lymph has no pump. It needs movement to move.